On edge, renewed concerns about public beach access as major development in Discovery Bay sets to get underway. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Archibald Gordon.
And I'm Doreen Samuels. Also this evening, rabbit meat for students. Opposition MP makes new suggestion for school feeding program.
Tech addicts. Health Minister calls for debate on phone usage by students.
Expansion plans. Government offloads airport to overseas investors.
No gun audits. FLA says its operations are crippled by administrative shortcomings.
And in a business news, JF Mills explores new product line, local farmers to benefit.
There's also sports commentary and weather in the primetime package. But before the break, the feedback question.
This evening we're asking, what are your thoughts on private-public partnerships to manage beaches?
Share comments online, facebook.com/television Jamaica, and tweet us at Television Jam.
Stay with us. Primetime News returns after this break.